Hello and welcome to Arm4 Creations. My name is Ashley and today I'm working on samples for my second shop, Arm4 Boutique. I'm going to add a children's Valentine's set to my shop. It will include a t-shirt and a mug. I sometimes make my own designs, but this particular design came from a shop in the Plus membership section on design bundles. So for the mug, I'm going to do the sublimation process, and for the t-shirt, I will be using HTV. So let's get started. I've already added my vinyl for the shirt on my Cricut mat, so while that's cutting in the background, let's prep our mug. The Valentine's design has already been printed. I printed it from my Sawgrass machine. I'm using heat tape to help the design stay centered on the mug, so when I place it inside of the mug press, it won't shift. So the mug I'm using is a polymer mug from Coastal Business. It's great for kids. It's similar to plastic. It won't break if it is dropped. So I have my mug press warming up to 395 degrees. It's actually recommended to press it at 320 degrees for 3 minutes. However, I went through at least 4 mugs to determine that 395 was the best temperature for my particular mug press. But please make sure to play around with your settings just to determine what is best for you. So before we place it in the mug press, I'm going to place a small piece of parchment paper to help keep it from getting anything on it while it's being pressed. I have an aluminum insert that I put in my plastic and polymer mugs to help it keep its shape while being pressed. And now we're going to press for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So while that's pressing, I'm going to start weeding out the shirt design. The brand of vinyl I like to use is Caesar, and the vinyl that I'm using today is the Caesar Easy Weed. So before we weed the black vinyl, I'm going to go ahead and remove the mug from the press and remove the heat tape. And this is what it looks like. So now let's finish weeding out the black vinyl for the t-shirt. Next, I take my t-shirt and place it on the heat press. I'm going to add a big piece of parchment paper over the shirt, and I'm going to press it for 3 to 5 seconds just to get the moisture out. And the temperature on my heat press is set to 312 degrees. So next I'm going to take the black vinyl and center it on the shirt. And I'm going to cover it back up with parchment paper, and I'm going to press it for 5 seconds, just long enough to get the vinyl to adhere to the shirt. Now we're ready to add the red vinyl. And now I'm ready to press it for the full 15 seconds. And to make sure that it's adhered well, I'm going to press it again for another 5 seconds. And this is how the shirt and the mug turned out. So if you're interested in purchasing this set, it will be available in my Etsy shop, Arm4 Boutique. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to be a part of my growing crafting family. Have a great day.